today in our birthday party episode with Julio, Warren, Han, and Wen is over there lining up for her food. Ano Ilonggo sa birthday?
Kaadlawan.
Kaadlawan. So today is the first or unang na kaadlawan ni Baby Sky. Ang party, ano sa Ilonggo ang party? Namunsyon ngayon. Ano ang celebration in Ilonggo? Pagsaulog. Pagsaulog sa kaadlawan ni Baby Sky. Pinaagi sa pamunsyon. Magic show. Salamangka.
And okay.
Ang premyo, prizes. So this is Jonah Mart saying happy birthday, Baby Sky. Until your next birthday. See you again.
I have my crypto coins. I'm rich. Crypto coin. Very powerful.
Open-minded ka ba? Usap tayo?
Usap tayo. Usap tayo. Crypto coin. Crypto coin. Bitcoin.
Bitcoin and Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
Yummy coin.